Hi, Jorge. We'll talk about the activities from my childhood. When I was a child, I always liked going to the river to swim with my friends. At the same time, I also enjoyed fishing for some very small fish called suches. The we would play with a ball in the water, and later we would eat the food we had brought to the river. Other going doing all our activities, we had to go back home to our parents would yet make us out the next day. I had to go to school to learn what the teacher was explained. I was very good at school. I was a big distracted as the student back the subject I like the most was story. It was my favorite because I like learning more about the story of Peru. I also had a continuity in my body. I suffered from a hip problem and I received treatments for it a very years in the United States. But I had hope that I will overcome it and recover my health. Thank you, teacher.